I noticed the report wasn't submitted yesterday.
Yes, I'm really sorry about that.
What happened?
I underestimated how long the data analysis would take.
Did you run into any specific issues?
Yes, the data was incomplete, and I had to double-check everything.
Why didn't you inform me earlier?
I thought I could finish it on time, but I was wrong.
Communication is very important in situations like this.
I understand, and I take full responsibility.
When can you have it ready?
By tomorrow morning at the latest.
That's already quite late.
I know, and I'll make sure this doesn't happen again.
What will you do differently next time?
I'll break the task into smaller steps and update you regularly.
That would help.
I also plan to ask for help sooner if I get stuck.
Good. That shows initiative.
I really value this job, and I want to improve.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for understanding.
Just make sure the report is accurate.
Absolutely. Quality is my priority.
All right. Keep me updated today.
I will.
Let's move forward.
Thanks again for your patience.
What is going on?
You've been distant lately.
I didn't realize you felt that way.
You barely talk to me anymore.
I've just been busy with work.
That's what you always say.
It's true, though.
It feels like you're avoiding me.
That's not my intention.
Then what is going on?
I've been under a lot of pressure.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't want to worry you.
I'd rather know than feel ignored.
You're right. I should have communicated better.
Communication is important to me.
I understand that now.
I just need reassurance.
I care about you a lot.
Then show it.
I will. I promise.
Let's try to fix this.
Together.
No more silence.
Agreed.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for speaking up.
We'll get through this.
We will.
Hey, can I ask you something a bit awkward?
Sure. What is it?
I'm in a difficult financial situation.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I was wondering if you could lend me some money.
How much do you need?
Around $200.
That's quite a lot.
I understand if it's too much.
When would you be able to pay it back?
Within a month.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm expecting a payment soon.
All right. I trust you. Thank you.
That means a lot.
Just make sure to keep your word.
I will. I promise.
I'll transfer the money today.
I really appreciate your help.
No problem.
I won't forget this.
Just focus on solving your situation.
I will.
And let me know if you need anything else.
Hopefully, I won't.
Take care.
You too.
Good luck. Excuse me. I'd like to speak to the manager.
Is there a problem?
Yes. The service has been very slow.
I apologize for that.
I've been waiting for 30 minutes.
That shouldn't have happened.
And my order is still incorrect.
I'm really sorry.
This is disappointing.
Let me fix it immediately.
I would appreciate that.
We'll prioritize your order.
Thank you.
Would you like a complimentary drink?
That would be nice.
Again, we apologize for the inconvenience.
I hope this doesn't happen again.
We'll improve our service.
I'll give you another chance.
Thank you for your patience.
Please bring the correct order this time.
Absolutely.
I'll wait.
It will be ready shortly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's hope it's better now.
It will be.